To put it another way, the iPad Pro delivers Xbox One S class graphics performance in a product that's 94% smaller, and there's no AC cord required.
Hey guys, what's up? Apple said that its new iPad Pro provides experience that rivals consoles for the first time. That is a big claim. Does iPad Pro really beats the Xbox One? Or the console games finally coming to the iOS? This is your Tech Panda and let's find out how iPad Pro compares to the Xbox One. The iPad Pro is a great and a powerful device with double the GPU performance and an increase in CPU performance, but it is not a game console. Apple spent several minutes on stage showcasing the latest NBA 2K19. The demo certainly looked fluid and crisp with all the textures and animations running at 60 FPS, but it is still a mobile game. The issue is iPad is never going to replace the experience of playing NBA 2K19 on a home console. This does not mean the iPad Pro is not a good gaming machine. It is a very powerful device and portable as well, but the gaming is a function of iPad and not its primary selling point. When it comes to selling the iPad, it is a big new display, Face ID, Photoshop, and these kind of things. Apple is trying to replace your laptop, not your game console or Xbox. Another thing is, despite being 12 years old, the number of console quality games on iOS is extremely low. Fortnite may only be the current popular game which is available on both iOS and consoles with the same level of attention from its developers. There is another problem of developers. Where are the developers? If the iPad Pro is capable of same level of graphics performance as an Xbox One, then why Apple has not announced any new partnerships with the major developers? This year a lot of great games are coming, from Black Ops 4 to Assassin's Creed Odyssey and Red Dead Redemption 2. iOS users will love to have these games on their iPads, but none of those games are coming to mobile. But all of them are coming to the Xbox One. Lastly guys, iPad Pro costs $800 and the Xbox One runs for $200. It is hard to consider iPad Pro an Xbox replacement when Xbox comes with a dedicated gaming experience equipped with better controllers and everything. At the end of the day, it does not matter if the iPad Pro is better than the Xbox One because no one is making games specifically for the iPad Pro. Mobile gaming is definitely on the rise, but it is not going to replace console experience anytime soon, and that's fine. So what do you guys think? Are you team iPad or team Xbox One? Please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until next time guys, bye bye.